then it was probably delivered by this Muppet.
Cruising down Highway 101, California dreaming fade. Sun beating down, radio playing something kinda sad. Then out of nowhere, a hitchhiker standing in the shade. Long hair flying, eyes of blue, looking kinda scared and mad.
Stuck out my thumb, miles from nowhere, nowhere to go. Sun beating down, heart beating faster, nowhere left to roam. Saw your cruiser, chrome gleaming, a flicker of hope. Then you pulled over, smiled at me, lifted all my woes.
Eastbound and down with the wind in our hair, two souls entwined, a love affair.
Born on the asphalt
Beneath the open sky,
this highway romance beneath the endless sky.
told you my story, dreams of the city, the lights and the sound. You shared your secrets, whispered desires, love on the ground. Small town girl with a restless soul, a heart full of fire, burning with passion, igniting desire.
Listen to your tales of the ocean and the breeze. Felt the rhythm of the highway beneath the swaying trees. This feeling's electric, a spark in the night. Two lonely travelers bathed in the pale moonlight. Eastbound and down with the wind in our hair, two souls entwined, a love affair. Born on the asphalt beneath the open sky, this highway romance beneath the endless sky. Miles melt away as the sun begins to set, sharing stories, secrets we'll never forget. This highway's our witness to a love unforeseen, a love born on the road, a love forever green.
Every mile of memory, every curve of embrace. This journey's forever etched upon my weary face. With you by my side,
The future's bright and bold, a new beginning.